cuties. I know you all are doing super. From today, you're going to learn cursive letters from me, Kalpana ma'am. You learnt the middle zone letters from Smita ma'am and the top zone letters from Malti ma'am. From today, we are going to write the bottom zone letters. Get started. The first letter we are going to learn is letter J. So we'll first write the capital J and the small j. For capital J, write a sleeping line, then come straight down and a curve. And once for the small one, come straight down and a curve, put a dot. Now this is my page and we are going to learn to write cursive J. So when you wrote the middle zone, you wrote between these two lines. And when you wrote the top zone, you touched the top line. That is, you wrote on first, second and third. Now you are going to write the bottom zone letters. That is, you are going to write on second, third and the fourth line. You are going to touch the bottom zone. So to write the bottom zone letters, for you have to know to write first the slanting line, then the slanting line, and you should be able to come down straight like this. It's very, very important, this formation. So it is slanting line and you should know to write come down straight like this. So this formation, if you learn, writing bottom zone becomes very, very easy. Do you see? The lines are touching the last line or the bottom line. So I will teach you to write J now. See, you just have to write slanting line, come down straight and go up like this, and you should put one small dot. Shall I write one more time here? Write slanting line, come down straight down and go up like this, put a dot. So first you practice the slanting line, then slanting line come down straight, then slanting line come down straight and then turn. Shall I do one more time, children? Slanting line, come down straight and go up like this. This is your cursive J. So the step 1 will be the slanting line. Step 2 will be slanting line, come down. Step 3 is slanting line, come down straight and a turn. Step 4 is slanting line, come down straight, go up, put one small dot. So these are the steps to be followed to write J. I will just write one more time so that it's easy for you. Slanting line, come down straight and go up like this and put one dot. As I said, to write the bottom zone letters, slanting line and coming down straight, if you learn this formation, it is very, very easy. The mistakes we do while writing letter J. Don't do too much of slanting line like this. Okay? And slanting line, don't go cross like this. And slanting line, come down straight. When you go, don't make it fall. Okay? Then after writing J, please don't put a big dot like this. This way the page will not look neat. In your cursive book, open page 50 to write the letter J. Now we are going to write in the book. Slanting line, come down straight, go up, and the dot. Sorry, the dot came up. Put it little down. Again, slanting line, come down, go up, put a dot. Slanting line, come down, go up, put a dot. Now I am sure you know the formation of J. So you write the full page, children, and practice. So if you see, I have kept a sample ready. So with your parents' help, you write in the notebook and learn the letter J. Bye children.